I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit kheer at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 digestive biscuits, crushed finely. Next, have 2 cups of full-fat milk, which gives our kheer a lovely creamy texture. Don't forget 1/4 cup of sugar, though you can adjust this to your preference. Finally, grab half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of your favorite chopped nuts for a delightful garnish. Now let's begin cooking. Pour your 2 cups of milk into a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Bring the milk to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens slightly. Next, add the 1/4 cup of sugar, stirring continuously until it completely dissolves into the warm milk. This creates a sweet base for our delicious kheer. It's time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold the crushed biscuits into the simmering milk mixture. Stir constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the kheer quickly thickening to a creamy consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, stir in the half teaspoon of cardamom powder for that wonderful aroma. Remove the pan from the heat and let your biscuit kheer cool down slightly before serving. For the best experience, chill your biscuit kheer in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with your 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts or a few strands of saffron for an elegant touch. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This easy biscuit kheer is a perfect, comforting dessert for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.